Hi guys, welcome to VidaPurpose. Hi guys, today we're gonna be making banana bread. It's going to be a almond flour, no sugar banana bread. It's super delicious. It's actually like an amazing recipe and I love it. Anyway, let's get down to it. So I'm preheating my oven to 350, 180 Celsius, and I'm gonna be baking my bananas just full like this to get out the sweet of them for like 10 minutes. They basically caramelize in the oven. It just turns out delicious. So I put the timer for 10 minutes. You know, it's like we all get those sweet cravings, but then I personally don't feel that great after I eat a cake that's like super sweet. So then this is a recipe that is great for that. It's delicious and it's a great thing to take to a friend's house, but to just keep in your pantry and eat throughout the week, why not? 1 teaspoon, making sure that it's nicely incorporated. 1/3 a cup of almond butter. Damn, this is a workout. Check this out. Pinch of salt. That's my timer. The bananas out of the oven. They were in for 15 minutes. Now that we've taken our bananas out of the oven, pull them right in our egg and almond butter mixture. We mix it all nicely. So now we're gonna add these ingredients in with the almond flour. Now we're gonna grease our baking pan so it doesn't stick. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Hi, so I just took the banana bread from the oven and I'm gonna let it sit for 10-ish minutes before I take it out of the pan, and then we can give it a try. We've taken the banana bread out of the pan and we put it in here, and I just wanted to show you how amazing this looks. Check this out. That smell. It's the almond butter with the texture of the almond flour and the sweetness of the banana and the chocolate in there. It's delicious. Very nice. I'm gonna keep eating this. Thanks for watching. Try out the recipe. Let me know. It has no sugar. So it's a healthy snack to have around. So if you're craving for something sweet, there you go. Keep tuned. Taste off.